In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and remove multiple items from your Amazon cart. Many of us have experienced the situation where our Amazon carts are overflowing with items, some of which may have been added accidentally or are no longer needed. Today, we'll explore how to streamline your shopping experience by effectively managing your cart. First, let's head over to Amazon.ae. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right corner where you'll often see an icon that resembles a shopping basket or cart. This is the gateway to managing your cart items. Click on that icon and it'll take you straight to your cart, also often referred to as your basket. Once you are in the basket section, you'll see a list of items you've added over time. If you wish to delete items from your cart, begin by clicking on each item you're considering removing. You might notice that when browsing through your cart, certain items were mistakenly added multiple times. In scenarios where an item is appearing more frequently than expected, you've got a couple of options. One straightforward action you can take is to simply click the delete button located next to the item you wish to remove. Doing this will remove that specific item from your cart altogether, and you won't have to worry about purchasing something you no longer need. This step is perfect for accidentally added items or things you've changed your mind about. Alternatively, if you don't want to remove an item entirely but instead need to adjust the quantity, you'll find a small quantity selector, usually indicated by a plus or minus sign next to the item's listing. Clicking on the minus sign will decrease the number of that item in your cart, allowing you to retain only the desired quantity. It's important to note that currently, Amazon doesn't allow you to delete multiple items simultaneously with the click of one button. While there might be an option to select all items, unfortunately, this doesn't extend to a simple delete function for multiple selections. You will have to remove unwanted items individually to make sure your cart reflects only what you truly intend to purchase. And there you have it, a clear and simple way to manage and purge your Amazon cart of unnecessary items, helping you avoid accidental purchases and keep your cart organized. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on making your online shopping experience more efficient. Happy shopping and see you next time.